There are multiple factors that we think contribute to food allergies. I have to be honest that researchers have been looking at this for decades to try to come up with a comprehensive answer. We still don't have the complete answer, but here are some of the things we understand about why food allergies develop.
Children may be susceptible to developing food allergies because their immune system is still a blank slate. Their immune system is learning what is a threat and what is not a threat. And in some cases, it can become misguided and thus develop allergies against things that are technically harmless, such as food.
There are some people who are predisposed genetically to develop food allergies.
Some people think it might have something to do with the types of normal and happy bugs that should be living in our gut and whether or not those are dysfunctional or altered.
So because food allergy and food allergic diseases have the potential to be life-threatening, if you notice that your child has a bad or an abnormal type of reaction after eating a food, it makes sense to ask your doctor or healthcare provider and tell them about this reaction and ask for their guidance.
The best thing that you can do is bring up all of your concerns to your trusted pediatrician or allergist. Find out what foods are safe for your child to eat. Find out what foods might be safe for them to eat in a different kind of form, like baked things, and find out what must be avoided.
Sometimes your immune system changes over time. And when you consume certain foods, as that immune system, especially in the child, gets more mature, they may have a different response to the same thing they're seeing because there are more immune cells that are reacting to it. Also, sometimes, depending on your genetics or the genes in your body, there's some triggers in the environment that help make that allergy even worse.
So having a mild allergy to something doesn't mean that the next time you eat it, it's going to stay mild. Some kids develop their allergies or exhibit their allergies on that first bite of a food. But a lot of people, kids and adults, develop food allergies as time goes on.
If you are afraid of eating out with family and friends because you're worried about some kind of allergic reaction, this is the time to go and get help from your doctor or healthcare provider.